Hi all, welcome to our channel. Myself, Dr. Nagaprashant K. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all GPAT qualifiers. So in general, after qualifying GPAT, everyone will have a question in their mind, what to do after that. And by this video, I would like to give a bit clarity for the GPAT qualifiers, what should be and what could be your next step. So let us see, and let me start this with the question. GPAT qualified? Yes. Then what's next? What is your next step? This is what we are going to have in this video. First thing I would like to clear you that the National Testing Agency is not at all responsible in conducting counseling for GPAT qualified student. So the NTA, that is National Testing Agency, is responsible for only conducting the test and declaring the results. And once the results were declared, the NTA, that is National Testing Agency, to not have any responsibility over what to do after GPAT qualification. Okay, so then what the candidate need to do? The candidate need to apply different institutions, especially those are called as GPAT participating institutions separately after the declaration of the result. So let us see what are these GPAT institutions and what is the things in next. You see, the institutions which are accepting the GPAT score are called as participating institutions of GPAT, and the candidate need to apply for these institutions separately, and these institutions will release a merit score, and based on which they are going to allot the M.PHARM seats. So this is the information which is present in NTA GPAT website. I have not typed in a single word. It was just copy pasted from NTA GPAT website. So the GPAT website, NTA GPAT website itself is saying that we have to apply separately for the GPAT participating institutions if we want to get a M.PHARM seat through GPAT score. And once the candidate has qualified, he has to apply, and the institution is having a right to conduct a group discussion and personal interview, based on which the candidates list will be finalized for allotment of the PG seats. This is the thing. And now we are going to see, apart from this, is there something what we can do? This is the information which was given in NTA website. So now I am going to tell something else which is not there in NTA website. So there are many institutions in India who are accepting this GPAT score for allotment of the seat. Few of them are conducting a second test for those only qualified in GPAT, and some more institutions are directly considering the GPAT score itself for conducting the counseling. Let us see what are they. Of course, the first one is going to be NIPER. NIPER is the dream institution for anyone in India if they want to perform post-graduation studies after completing B Pharmacy. So there are total 7 NIPERs starting from Ahmedabad, Guwahati, Hajipur, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and the headquarters, that is Mohali and Raebareli. These are the websites what I have given here for visiting the individual NIPER branches. And if we want to get a seat or if you want to study in these NIPERs, you need to write a separate entrance test, and for writing that entrance test, GPAT qualification is mandatory. That's what we are going to see here. The name of the test is NIPER JEE. This time it was conducted by Hyderabad, NIPER Hyderabad, and there are a lot of procedure. Again, we have to apply online. They will give hall tickets. You need to apply, and you have to appear a test based on which they are going to give scores. Here, how many have attended or how many have registered for this NIPER JEE, all will be given rank. There is no cutoff mark, there is no concept of qualification in NIPER JEE. How many have appeared, those many will be in the rank list. But the cutoff ranks will be there, which are going to be a main thing if you want to get admission into NIPER. So if, for example, if a candidate is interested in joining MS Pharmaceutical Chemistry or Medicinal Chemistry in NIPER Mohali, so he has to go through the previous ranks in that particular branch and in that particular location, that is Mohali. So if it is around 50 rank, 50th rank is the closing rank previous year. So he should be mentally fixed. If he is below 50, more chances are there for him to get the same pharmaceutical chemistry in Mohali. So like that. In NIPER JEE, there is no cutoff marks, there is no concept of qualification. Who have appeared will be there in the rank list. Only the cutoff ranks are going to play a major role for attending the counseling. So this is the first option. Any GPAT qualifier will try to appear, that is NIPER. If not, if the candidate is not interested in NIPER, or else he is out of the range of NIPER cutoff ranks, then what? Now we are going to see the next options. That is, the candidate need to apply for different levels of counselings. Depending upon the state, university and institution, totally the GPAT qualified candidates can apply for state level counselling, or else university level counselling, or else institute level counselling. So let us see one by one. Let us start with the state level counselling. For example, various states like Gujarat, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Mumbai, that is Maharashtra, these states are conducting a separate counseling for GPAT qualified candidates, and a separate percent of seats were being allotted and given to these GPAT qualified candidates. If the seats are still remaining after this GPAT qualified candidates counseling, then those seats will be given to other state entrance tests qualified candidates. So if a candidate is interested in studying in particular state, for example Gujarat, at the very best college of Gujarat, then the candidate need to apply for there's a particular test what I have mentioned here, that is Admission Committee for Professional Courses, ACPC Gujarat. If you go into this website, you will get all details, where to apply, how to apply, what are the deadlines and what is the fee. The same in the case, that is TSPGEC and APPGECET, and the same thing about State Common Entrance Test Cell, that is CET, which is being conducted by Maharashtra government. So these are the examples of few state counselings who are permitting GPAT qualified students to attend or appear directly into the counseling of that particular state colleges without writing any other entrance test. We need to apply for that. Based upon the candidates who have applied, they will prepare a merit list and they will give a separate state level ranking based on which the counseling is going to happen. This is a state level counseling. Next, coming to university level counseling. Here, university level counseling again may be of two types, either government or else private. For example, if I want to talk about government level, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, which is present in Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, is giving an option for all its affiliated colleges for a common counseling. Those who are qualified and those who want to join in this particular university affiliated colleges, then they can apply for that counseling and they can attend. And second option is private universities. Most of the private universities in India are accepting GPAT score based on which they are allotting seats. For example, I have shown you here few. Nirma University, JSS Academy, BITS, very well known, and Bharati Vidyapeeth University. These are just a few. There are several tens to hundreds of universities, private universities, which are accepting this GPAT score. And now coming to institute level, and of course in institute level, there is no that particular website or name of the college what I need to mention. Whatever the colleges that are accepting GPAT score are called as GPAT participating institutions, and you can apply to them separately. That is a common thing. So after all these things, you may have a doubt and you may ask me one question. Sir, why we need to take admission through GPAT counseling? Of course, there is a benefit that was already mentioned in our ACTE website, that the student who has qualified in GATE or GPAT and got admission through the counseling is eligible for a stipend of 12,400 per month. And even by referring this website ID, you can also go through more details. And my next upcoming video is on common university entrance test. This common university entrance test is a common is a common test for all central universities and few state and private universities, state government and state private universities. There is a list which I am going to discuss in my next video. So those who want to take M.PHARM admission in such universities should write this common university entrance test. If you like the content of this video, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.